can't get much better than this, can you? This is pretty bloody awesome. My hand's fucking actually cramping. I've got new gloves, the Alpine Stars, and because they're new, I thought today would be the best day to actually take them out and wear them in. I should actually get them wet, so they form to my hands a little bit more. But, oh well, you just can't be choosers. Obviously, if you're new to riding twisties and stuff, guys, I'll just let you know, if you're leaning towards the side where the oncoming traffic is, don't fucking lean over the other side of the road, man. That's something I do see a lot of people do. Make sure you give yourself enough clearance so you can actually take the corner, unless you can see through the corner. If you can see through the corner, fucking go for your life. But if you can't see through that corner, man, fucking don't do it, bro. Because there's been people that have had their fucking heads taken off, like literally, because cars come around on the other side of the road. And when you're committed to that lean, man, you can't just revert it back and fucking sit it up in like a split second. It just doesn't happen. Trail braking. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I was actually trail braking the whole way into that corner. Now, trail braking is a video that I'm going to do because it's a fucking real art, man. You need to get it down pat. If you don't do it right, you can fucking seriously hurt yourself. And the R3 is actually a really good bike to do trail braking on, because its brakes are so forgiving. Even downshifting mid-corner, like if you don't get that right gear through the corner, you need downshift. You know, it's all that sort of stuff, man. It's all about perfecting your art, your skill. I'm always out to improve my skills, man. I never see that I'm above anyone or that my shit don't stink, because as soon as you start thinking that is the day you stop learning. And there's always things to be learned, man. Downshifting mid-corner, trail braking, like all that sort of shit, man. It's all stuff that you learn, and it is good stuff to learn too. Also, like how to steer a motorcycle correctly, like push forward on the bars instead of pulling them back. But just stuff like that, man. Stuff like that you your natural instinct is to pull the bar towards you, because you know that's what you've done, push bikes and stuff pretty much your whole life. But it's actually not the case. It's easy to push the bar, and you reckon that you don't get the feel through the bar. Like that's what a lot of people say to me, when you're pushing you don't get that feel. You do. When you're at speed, it's better to push than what it is to try and pull it back, because pushing it, just the bike just tips so much easier, bro. I've already done a video on rev matching and stuff like that, so rev matching is pretty self-explanatory. What does Jim Carrey say in Bruce Almighty? All these horsepower, all these ponies, and nowhere to gallop. No! In parts of traffic.
Oh darn. All this horsepower and no room to gallop. Hey, Hosea! Away!
That's what it's like. Not that I'm on a real powerhouse of a motorcycle, I'll tell you. But I'll tell you what, this is a fucking awesome little bike, man. It really is. I've had so much fun on this bike.